Hello, in this video you will learn how to buy and sell Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency of your choice in just 4 easy steps via the P2P method on Bybit. Whether you're a new person looking forward to investing in cryptocurrency or you want to become a profitable trader trading any of the cryptocurrency assets, then this video is for you because you're going to learn all that in this video. But before going to doing that, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You've got superpower and it's about time you use it. Smash the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like the one you're currently watching, you will be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will make you financially free. So now that you've done that, let's go to step number 1 in buying Bitcoin. So the number 1 step in buying any cryptocurrency is by downloading an exchange. We are going to be using the Bybit app because of a bonus secret that I have for you. So if you click on the first link on the description section, that is going to take you to either your Play Store or your App Store where you are going to register for the Bybit app. And when you do that, you are going to get a welcome bonus of $25 to $100 depending on your deposit. So after clicking on that and registering, it is going to require you to put in your date of birth to do the authentication process. So you go ahead and do that. After doing that, we proceed to step number 2.
So the number 2 step of buying a choice cryptocurrency is getting USDT, right? And USDT is the equivalent for US dollars, so it's called US Theta. So what we are going to do is we are going to open our just downloaded Bybit, right? And this is how the interface looks like. So we see like the home, like we have cards and all. So what we are going to do is on like the home screen, you're going to see P2P trading, but if you don't see it in yours, there's a probability that you may not see it in yours, right? So you tap on more. When you tap on more, it's going to bring out all the services. Now if you go to buy crypto section, you are going to see P2P trading. So P2P trading is short for peer-to-peer trading, right? So we are going to click on it because you cannot use your card to buy crypto in Nigeria, but if you're in places where you can use your card, you just go ahead to buy with your card. So we click on acknowledge. So this is just a notification that PayU users can delete their account record. So this is not really an issue. Then you click on acknowledge, right? Then here, this section is like the buy section. So this is where people are selling their cryptocurrency and this is the amount. So for instance, this Anthony P is selling $1 for 1,616 naira. So for $1, and it has about 23 US dollar, 20.5 US dollar. So if you want to know the equivalent, you just do the math. 1,666 times the quantity that it has here. So that will give you, and the limit that you can collect is 5,000. So you can get at least $2 worth from him if you want to get like that, right? So this is the people that are selling. So the more you go down the line, like the more expensive you become. So one of the cheat code that I do to save you time, if you click on filter here, the filter button that is directly opposite your NGN, the Naira sign, you click on show only eligible ads, right? So that is going to filter only ads that you are eligible for, because the truth is that some people, it's not everybody that you can buy from. Some people, they require maybe just only dollars, that's what they accept, and some people you must have completed a particular amount of orders before you can buy from them, right? So like for reasons best known to them, right? So here, these are the guys that we're eligible to buying from. So for this illustration, I'm going to use this. So if you see the one with bank transfer, that means you can send to their bank transfer. Then these are like the payment options they accept. Then underneath it, you see this guy here, this jet speed 23. Now he accepts via Kuda Bank, OP, and Money Points, and his rate isn't that bad. To here, so it's so it's like $2 difference, right? Or $1 2 cents different, 20 cents different rather. To here, I'm going to click on it because like it has OPay here, and OPay is Swift, so I think I'll just use that. So I'll click on buy. Right now, if this is how the interface looks like, I'll just walk you through the interface. So I'm buying with fiat. Right now, you can buy with crypto. If you have crypto to sell, you can use your USD to sell, but I want USDT, so I'm going to use my fiat. So here, if you click on fiat, so this is the quantity that he has. If you click on all, now he has only 5. So this is one of the things, he has only $5 left. You see, on when we click on the order, the amount of cryptocurrency he had was $108, but someone else has bought it, so this is the amount that he has left. Excuse me. So this is the amount he has left, and this is so small for me, so I'm going to pass on this. So I'm going to go back here, then I'll refresh this. So this one has $81, so let me click on it. So I'll click on all. So this one has $5 left too. So this is one of the things you should know, is that when you're buying crypto, like a lot of Nigerians are also buying, right? Because it's not only you that is interested in investment. So like if you're not Swift, someone else might buy it. So let's just go down. So this one, let's go down. Let's try this one. These are just $23. No, this is too small. Okay, one is, let me buy this. Okay, this is the one I tried. Okay, so I will get at least $100 for the illustration. But if you're buying for $20, you can also buy $20. It doesn't matter, right? Okay, so this guy now collects. So this is Samaroon. Let's use it, right? Let's buy from him. So we are not buying all, so he has $200. So let's just buy $100 for just illustration. So let's just get $100. So $100 is 60k. So let's get so let's put $160, $96. Okay, so $100 will give us 161,800. Let's see, 162,000. Okay, let's see, 162,000. Okay, 167,000. So we have 100. So this is the amount I'll buy for 167,000. So I'm just going to click on buy, and now if you click on buy, this is what is going to happen. Right now, here, this is the contact information. This is the price. I'm buying $1 for 1,661 naira 88 cents. Then the quantity, if you do the math, you are going to get $100, right? Then this is the order number and the time for execution. So when you click on complete your order, you have like 15 minutes to complete the payment and all. Then this is the seller's information, right? So this is the seller's information. Then here you can contact seller, right? When you click on contact seller, you see he doesn't accept third party payment. Say send receipt after payment for fast release. So you should remember that and that this person does not receive payment, so you cannot use somebody else's account like to send to the person. So when you click on pay receipts, so here when you click on pay now, right? So you're going to click on pay now. When you click on pay now, you are going to see the person's account name and account number. So what you're going to do is that you're going to copy it, right? And you click on, so he's using PanPay. when you're done sending the money, you are going to click on payment completed. So here you agree. So I'll click on, so here this is the name, the Pay. So I'm going to copy. So you see that, so 10 minutes, understand, is set for the coin to release. So I'm going to open my app and send the amount right to the person. So here I will copy paste the account number, Pay Samedo, so 167,000, right? So I'm just going to paste the amount, 167,000. Then so I'm just going to put my name, right, since it doesn't accept third party, or you can just leave it, right? Since I'm going to do this, then you click on send. So just make sure you confirm, right? Just go back that that's the amount, 167,000, so that you don't do any mistakes. So here, so I'll click on pay, then just wait. Now you see I've paid the money. So here I'm going to download the receipt. Here I click on download receipt. I'm going to save it. Then I'll go back to the chat, contact seller. So the guy, thank God this one awake. I was thinking he's not going to be awake. Then I'll click on browse and my images, click on it and confirm. So you just send in proof of payment, and it's that easy. So this is the amazing thing about using this P2P, right? It's actually a scam proof, because the moment you click on you've paid, now it's the system automatically freezes the person's account, so it cannot run with your money, it cannot run with your crypto, right? So it's not something that you should be afraid of. So here, for some reasons, right, I can't send him. Okay, it wasn't going, but I think it has gone now. So here it is shown green. So if it shows green, that means that the message is delivered, right? So let's just wait again to see. So apparently it's got like 7 more minutes left to deliver. So you may be asking, so what actually happens if the 7 minutes elapses and he refused to send like the coin? So what happens is, now the customer service is going to contact him to release the funds, or you can come and contact the customer service. They're going to release the funds for you if you have like the proof of payment, right? So there's nothing you should worried about. Like, I've been doing this for a very, very long time, and yeah, I've never encountered any case of scam and all. So basically that's how to buy any crypto. So now if he releases your coin, what's going to happen is that, okay, he sent a message. So now when he's done releasing the coin, now you are going to see it in your funds account. You are going to receive like the asset of $100. So let's just wait, and I'll show you how that looks. So guys, after the seller releases the coin, if you go to your asset, right, you see under your funding, you are going to see the coin we just bought. So we just bought $100, and this is the worth. So this, when you click on funding account, you see here, this is how it came. Now the guy has released it, that's why you have $100, right? And so the 167 we paid is for $100 equivalent. So that's that's step number 2. Now we have successfully bought USD. So USD is a stable coin, right? Like, it doesn't appreciate with time. So like in 10 years the value is going to be this. It's still going to be $100. So what we want to do now is to buy the cryptocurrency of our choice. So what we are going to do is we are going to transfer it from your funding account, because remember this is in funding account. We are going to transfer it. That's step number 3 now. We are going to transfer our USDT from funding account to trading account. So to do that, just click on transfer, then like the currency pair that I want to transfer USDT. But if yours is showing BTC or whatever coin, you click on coin and you choose the appropriate one. So you see USDT here is $100. You just click on it. Then here you see this thing here. We are going to click on max. Now when you click on max, you see you are transferring from funded account to unified trading accounts. So at times it may be like this, unified trading to funded account. What you just do, you just click on this swap button to swap it. Then you're going to click on max. That does that. Then click on confirm, and transfer is free. So you just wait for like 2 seconds and you're going to transfer it. You see, successfully transferred. So you see our trading account now, there's nothing here. The cumulative, see, it has increased. So to buy cryptocurrency, we now move to step 4, which is pretty easy. Now the any cryptocurrency that you want to buy, now this is where you buy it. And now if you don't know the cryptocurrency to buy, I'm going to drop a video about that, or you click on my Telegram group, right, so that I drop alphas and you can just drop in on. So like you can see the retreatment for XRP for, so let's look for the month. So I'm very bullish on SRP. See, it has gone up to $2.9 and it just retraced to 2.48. So there's a probability that after this retracement, right, after this consolidation, it will go up right above the $2.90 mark to $3. So for any cryptocurrency that you are interested in, you can just buy, right? So another cryptocurrency that I'm very interested in is Ondo, right? And it's, well, it's high. So I actually want to buy it at the $1 mark here, $1.14 mark here, but it's still up, so I wouldn't be buying this. So I'm going to go for Cardano. So Cardano has done a lot of healthy retracement, and I would just want to buy it because it's even got to $2 and it's now $1.30. So I think this is a healthy buy. So I'm going to click on all. So if you click here, so this is how like the buy order book looks like, right? So here you see limit order. So limit order is when you telling the market, right, or you're telling the broker or Bybit that if the price of cryptocurrency gets to a particular limit, right, or particular price, you should fill your order in. But I'm going to do a detailed video, right? So what you're going to do if you want to buy it at the current market price, you are going to click on market, right? You click on market and the percentage you want to buy, you put the dollar. If you want to buy it for $20 and buy other coins for other $20, or you want to split like the $20 for 5 coins, you can do that. But me, I'm just going all in on this, so I'm just going to put the $100, right? Then you click on buy Cardano. So at current market price, so now currently it says Cardano says at $1.30. So I'm just going to click on it and yeah, then buy KD. So you see order successfully filled. Now if you click on my wallet now, right, and check here, you are going to see that Cardano, I have 76 Cardano. So guys, so that's how to buy like cryptocurrency. I hope you learned. If you have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment section. I'll be so happy to help you with that. And I just want you to win, so join this community so that we'll grow together. Till next time, I remain Riches Energy. Bye.